Many homeowners believe that any licensed architect or designer must be a good one and a good fit for their next project. And I get it. A license is a symbol of education, of hard work, of focus and professionalism, so it's easy to believe. But if that were true, then any architect, interior designer, building designer, landscape architect, kitchen and bath designer would be the perfect one to solve your specific design problem, to create and deliver the function that you need and the look that you want. And we both know that's not true. Everyone's heard stories of bad builders, plumbers, electricians not delivering the quality that they promised. Architects that put their own aesthetic ahead of the homeowners. Interior designers that specify finishes and furniture that blow budgets. And they were all most likely licensed at the time. In fact, holding on to the notion that your next designer's license will guarantee great design could actually jeopardize the success of your project. So how do you ensure that you'll find a great designer that is just the right fit for you, your family, and your project? In this video, I'll give you the top 3 factors to consider. Stay tuned. Hey, Jake with JWK Design here, helping families just like yours create their comfortable, modern home. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing below and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. A license can be a good marker of dedication to a profession, a good marker of technical expertise, a good marker of an understanding of the codes and regulations of your project in your city or state. But it's simply not the most important one. Here are the top 3 factors to consider when selecting or interviewing a designer. First, you'll want to research their online presence. Have they posted photos of past projects so that you can get a good understanding of their aesthetic? Is the information on their website clear enough so that you understand who they are, who the team members might be, and what's their presence in social media? Are they sharing their knowledge regularly, updating you on current or upcoming projects? If they're able to define and present themselves well online, it's probably a good sign that they'll be able to do the same when it comes to the details of your project. Second would be their process. Do they have a defined, measurable, repeatable design process to take you through? Your project will be unique, of course, but having a framework in place so that they can systematically address concerns like site conditions, existing utilities and systems, foundations, even outdoor shade patterns or other functional concerns of the design will go a long way to helping them understand and create your design. Last, and certainly not least, are references. These might be in the form of online testimonials, typically shown on their website or on a site like house.com. I'd say this is the way to get the best sense of the client experience. Beyond that, you should feel comfortable asking for email addresses or phone numbers of past or current clients so that you can speak with them directly. Licensure is important and in some cases is required on certain projects, but a licensed designer isn't necessarily a good designer. Presence, process, references. Those would be the top 3 factors that I would consider when selecting or interviewing a designer. Question of the day: what do you value most in a designer? Leave a comment below. And visit the links down in the description if you'd like to connect more. As always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, see ya.